Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, it's been a rainy Sunday, and actually, in fact, it's been a rainy Sunday evening as well. The heaviest rainfall we've seen this weekend falling over the last 10 hours or so, going back to this afternoon. And you can see now on the radar, a nice spiral as our low pressure system is now moving northward. But with that, it's bringing up a lot of moisture from off the Atlantic. So that's why we just have these rounds of rain and these waves of heavier downpours. Take a look at this area near Long Island Sound. Lots of lightning approaching the Connecticut coastline. And for us here in southeastern New England, you can see we have our own fair share of some heavy rain, but not much lightning with this batch making its way onshore now. So it's the kind of rain that will wake you up if you're trying to sleep. But overall, again, no lightning or severe weather with this line as it makes its way through, but still chances for some thunder and lightning as well. You can see closer here some lightning strikes down in southeastern Connecticut offshore by Westerly and even out towards Newport as well. So again, heavy downpours making their way through. That's been the theme all evening long. Outside in Providence, it's a cloudy, dreary night. We have temperatures in the 50s. We have that heavy rain around. Most areas have already picked up 2 to 3 inches of rain. Most will probably finish with 2.5 to 3.5 inches of rain when all is said and done. Visibility right now, it's improving away from the coastline, but down near the coast, Newport, Westerly, where that rain is obviously heavier, you're seeing those lower visibilities with some fog as well mixed in. Just a messy night of it across the region. Temperatures upper 50s to near 60 across most of the area. A little bit cooler though, where those heavy rain bands are making their way through by just a few degrees, but interesting to see that as well. Wind gusts right now, it's very windy. You can see the gusts anywhere from 20 to even 30 miles per hour. Providence gusting 31, Newport 30. So our gusts will be the strongest this evening and tonight during the overnight hours into tomorrow. Even though tomorrow's a drier day, the winds will stay on the stronger side. Here is some of the rainfall total updated. You can see North Kingstown about 3.29, Wickford 3.05 inches, and most areas again between about 2 and 3 inches of rainfall across the state. 3 key things: heavy rain and storms ending shortly after midnight, and we're looking at drier weather for Monday, but showers and clouds do return in my 7-day forecast. Low pressure again offshore. That's what's kind of helping to draw up all this moisture into our area, and you can see we're going to time out the rest of what's left of it. Notice those shades of red and yellows and oranges pretty much matching up where it is on the radar. So going forward, we're going to see that push its way through our area. And then after that, there's not a whole lot behind it. This is 1 o'clock, maybe some leftover showers and lingering into the pre-dawn hours. But for the most part, it'll be a drying trend after midnight towards Monday morning. Sunshine returns for Monday, 9 o'clock, maybe a few leftover clouds. But for the most part, Monday is a dry day. We are watching out to the west, areas of some clouds, pop-up showers, and maybe even a downpour mixed in as well. This is 8 o'clock Monday night. Notice how most of us in southeastern New England are dry, but it depends. If that does get close enough, we could see some of that make its way towards us. Monday morning, it's a dry start to the day. Temperatures in the 50s, getting to near 60 for the afternoon. Actually, our temperatures during the afternoon in the low 60s. More showers do return for Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday, as temperatures only stay in the mid to upper 50s. Of course, get the full forecast on our website, WPRI.com.